Let's talk about how to find trade entries just like this long I'm in right now, because this is actually quite an easy setup to spot, and they can be very, very profitable. Now, the context of the market is that Bitcoin has dumped quite a bit, and we started forming this local sideways range, and we had some very, very clear signals that we were going to get a significant bounce from this exact zone. So the first thing we need to do is, after Bitcoin takes a big dump, what we want to do is basically mark out that first low that we put in. Why do we want to mark out that first low? Because there's a very high probability that if we take out that low and we do so with somewhat of a bullish divergence, that is actually going to be a fake out to the downside. We see this happen very, very often where Bitcoin will dump, put in a low, and then when we basically come and take out that low, everyone gets super, super bearish, shorts the bottom, shorts get trapped, boom, move to the upside to squeeze some shorts. And the way we can tell this is going to happen is by looking at the bullish divergences that are forming on market Cipher B, right? This is the 10-minute time frame, but if we come down to lower time frames like the 6-minute, we can see that as we actually put in that low here, we are putting in bullish divergences, and we're doing so going all the way back to that initial low, showing us, look, we're going to get a fake out. Now, after we get the move to the upside, this is where it becomes very, very important, because honestly, although I do like to take these types of trades when I see the move to the upside, it is technically catching a falling knife, and a lot of people aren't comfortable with that. So whenever you see this pattern where price puts in a low and then a lower low with a quick buyback, what you want to do is pull out your fib to look for that retest. And the reason why is because there's a good chance that after this initial bounce, price is going to stop out all the late longs and then get another move to the upside, right? And so check this out. If we take a look right here, we pulled our fib from the initial low right down here to the high that we put in right here, and we pull that fib across, and you can see that we are actually coming in to the zone between the 618 and the 786 Fibonacci. Now, if you want to learn more about fibs and all this stuff, check out the course at jasoncaspertrading.com. 20% discount in the description. Also, if you want to take advantage of 0% limit fees on ByBit, check out the link in the pinned comment and description. It's great for taking trades like this on lower term time frames, so you can actually make some good profits without those fees cutting in. Also, if you want to join the community where we give the trade setups to levels in 3 live streams a day, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. So once we pull the fib, this is now going to be the zone in which we look for our entry. Now, the reason why this is so great is because it basically gives us a second chance to take this trade setup. And the setup is like this, where basically we enter here, our stop loss goes below that 786 level, or you can put it below this low, but I like to put it below the 786 level. And then our target is going to be the top of the range. It basically gives us a really nice trade setup, trading the local range. So what are going to be the confirmations for actually taking this trade? Well, there's a few different ways that you can take a trade like this. One of the ways that I like to use is actually looking at an order flow chart, right? Looking at an order flow chart to see, do we have a big decrease of open interest as we come back down into this level, or are we seeing shorts getting trapped here as we come down into this zone where we're actually seeing shorts opening up and whales are absorbing those shorts to push the price back to the upside, initiating a short squeeze. But this is a really good setup, and it's something you can look for whenever Bitcoin actually gets a big move to the downside, then followed by um, a small range beginning to form. So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. I do pray everybody is very blessed in the name of Jesus, the Messiah, even if you are not religious. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace.